Hey fam! Maayong buntag, maayong gabi, maayong adlaw. Calgary, Canada in Pilipinas. So, nandito pa rin kami sa wilderness but it's our last day. So, nagkukumpuni na kami ng mga gamit. Slowly. And it's around 8 a.m. Currently, 11 ang check-out namin dito. So, we have enough time. And si mommy din and si Monette nagluluto na ng breakfast para makakain muna tayo bago tayo mag-check out talaga and umalis. So today fam, hindi pa kami uuwi ng Calgary. May sinadjust si na Kuya Alan na puntahan daw namin and sobrang matutuwa daw yung mga kids. It's called Wildlife Discovery something. Parang zoo siya around Innisfail. So on the way going back to Calgary na rin yun. But why not? Puntahan na natin habang nandito tayo. So it's a zoo. May mga bears daw doon. Hindi pa ako nakakita kasi ng bear in person. So may black bear, may brown bear, and ang gusto ko talagang makita ay grizzly bear. So meron daw doon, sabi ni Kuya Alan. So yan, hindi lang tayo uuwi for today, but we would be doing another adventure, of course, for the kids and for me. Kids at heart ako eh. So samahan niyo ulit kami. Breakfast time! So naligpit na namin ni Kuya Alan yung tent. It's gone. So packing up na lang sa kotse. Punta tayo dito for our last meal. The breakfast meal. And then si Mommy. So the breakfast for today and the last meal here in the campsite. Bacon, really nice corned beef. Siyempre ano ba ito? Palm, your favorite. And then egg. Then rice.
Yeah. Only in the trees, ha? Okay. Uy, baka.
Okay, so kain lang and we're going. So again, sabi ko nga kanina, papunta kami ng zoo. So papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung pwede nating makita. That's really for the kids. Zoo yun eh. And may mga bears. So sabi ni Kuya Alan. So let's check it out.
Ayan. And Kuya Alan is fixing the RV na. So, it's a learning time for us. Paano ba na-deform at na-form ang RV? Yan. Bilis ni Kuyang umano eh. Oh. Yan. Meron pala silang... what do you call this? Parang jack. Ito pala yung Papa-stable na RV. You need to have that para balance, no?
Yeah, balance
tsaka
and stable.
Oo.
And then ito ko. Ngayon, ito yung never ko pang nakikita kung paano kinakabit ang isang RV
Sa car.
sa trailer ng car.
Oh, yan. Let's see. Alis dyan.
Kasi super curious talaga ako kung paano eh. Yan.
Ayan na. Ikakabit na
So,
po.
Parang
Kuya.
parang pardon my vocabulary but parang itutuhog na.
Itutuhog
Oo, parang itutuhog na ni Kuya Alan.
Kailangan eskwala. Yeah.
Ha? Ayos ba?
Yung indaan na eh.
There you go.
So, itataas pa ni Kuya dapat, no?
Yeah, tataas na.
Yeah, oo. Oo.
Iban yung bilog na to Kuya.
Oo,
no?
no?
Ay,
Grabe, yun lang Kaya nga, yun lang ang hold nila.
scary.
Oh, yeah. Sige!
Ay, tuhog.
Okay!
Ay, tuhog nga agad. Shoot, love eh. Oh, galing. Oh. Isang atrasan. Nice one. Nice one. Forward konti. Then that's it. So that's how you do it.
Ayan na yung maglalak niyan.
There you go. Up. Okay. Perfect. Perfect ni Kuya eh. Oh.
Bye-bye, wilderness!
Bye-bye wilderness. Babalik kami.
Yes.
Sobrang ganda dito.
Have a nice day!
Ideal camping site.
pa rin ang likod namin. And ayan ang Kuya Alan and Sis Mona. So, unahan na sila. Ay, yung RV nila, oh, sobrang cute. na flat na. Kita nyo naman sa ibang picture at videos namin na naka-form siya as na bahay. So, galing. And we're heading siguro magkakape muna. And then,
Get lang tayo ng coffee. Siguro sa Red Deer na siguro or baka dito sa Rocky Mountain House. Yeah.
yep, we're going.
Then we're gonna have some donuts and then we're heading to, where are we going? Team Alba?
Zoo! Yeah!
Zoo. And then
That's
go
right.
home so Kuya can play his Legos and cars.
Alright, so,
Like
see you later, fam! Hi, fam! And ayan, malapit na kami. Another, how many minutes? 6 more minutes and
Nasa zoo
nasa
na.
zoo na kami. Ito yung way namin pa zoo.
Nasa Innisfail,
Innisfail pala siya.
Alberta.
Yeah.
On the way na din from Red Deer
Red
to
Deer.
Calgary.
Yeah.
Or from Wilderness Campground to Calgary. On the way siya. So that's why we decided na daanan na para sa mga kids.
Ayan, meron din sila
Extra
para dito.
activity.
Ano to, Dad?
Ang laking town pala nito. Innisfail.
Ano? Meron para silang ano dito, Dad.
Cement. Parang cement siguro.
May nakita
Hey,
ang
fam.
daddy.
Look at that. Wow, my jet. So it's the RCAF, Royal Canadian Air Force.
Yeah, ayun oh.
Nice.
Meron palang ganun dito.
Oh, baka ano to dito. Hindi namin alam yung history ng town, but
Yeah. Ayan,
think-
look at that.
I think, oh yeah, Royal Canadian Legion.
yeah.
Oh, so may Air Force base dito.
Kaya pala sabi ko may nakita ko airport kaninang sign.
Okay, this is
Oh.
super cool.
Meron naman tayo na
Discover na
van. Yeah. Maladram Heller ang ano niya.
town. Yeah,
Vibe
laki.
niya. Yeah.
May Starbucks.
Starbucks.
May
Cute.
Timmy's.
Yes. Ayan.
For sure may mall yan dito. Ganda dito ah.
Ganda.
Bigger than a small town to.
Oo. Kasi oh, parang city na city. Parang city vibe na town siya. Okay. And here we go, fam. Discovery Wildlife.
Park. Okay.
Park.
Campground.
Yeah.
Campground din pala dito. Nandito na kami sa Discovery Wildlife Park. So look at that, it's open space and everything. So I'm not sure where to start actually. So how do we start? I think we just missed the bear presentation, pero merong wolf presentation. So umuulan ngayon at hindi pa kami nakakatuloy mamasyal dito sa park. And since may golf cart sila na available, additional $20, kunin na natin.
Daddy got the golf
We
cart.
got the keys. So
Let's go.
mag-golf cart kami. Dito sa Discovery Wildlife Park. Let's go! There you go, fam. That's our golf cart. So since nag-drizzle and umulan ng konti, pupunasan lang ni Mommy yung mga upuan. Okay. And actually for the experience na din, $20 lang naman. And yeah, para din matry ng mga kids na mag-golf cart. Yan, so sunny na ulit, wala nang ulan. So we could enjoy Discovery Wildlife Park more, okay? So para mabilisan kasi kailangan din namin umuwi at may pasok si Mami ng early morning tomorrow.
Daddy, I want to go there. Daddy, I want to go there.
Where are we going?
I want to go there.
Huh?
Body
How
Paddle.
about here first? Okay, anywhere.
I want to go Body Paddle.
This is so much fun.
Still waiting.
Can we go here, love? Huh? Basta sa path lang.
On the left, yep.
Turbo
We are driving go-kart in Discovery Wildlife. How fun is that, Kuya?
How fun is that? Huh?
Yay!
What? Wow. Fam, sobrang lamig. Naka-shorts pa kami. Grabe naman.
There you go.
Lion. Wow, Daddy, go there. Body Paddle.
Oh, they have a big truck over there.
Yeah, that was
Nice. Okay, you guys can play later. Let's see the bears and the wolves. Daddy wants to see the grizzly bear. All right.
I'm gonna punch them.
Oh no, punch
Why would you
it.
punch them, kasi?
Oh no, here comes
Kasi
the
they can
dinosaur.
eat us.
No, dinosaur.
Go to the right.
From right to left.
Oh. Stop bothering me and get out of my face.
Turbo Bante.
Oh, Daddy, don't.
It's the grizzly bear. Wow. Oh yeah. The grizzly bear.
I'm gonna punch it. No worries, I'm gonna punch it.
Ay, mami, grabe. Wow.
Parking here. Look at that. Kuya, look at the bear.
Holy moly.
A muddy puddle.
Sam, it's my first time. And kahit my fence, medyo natatakot ako. Wow. How are ya? Oh, wow. Sobrang laki. And it's a Kodiak bear. Pero medyo kamukha na sila ng grizzly bear eh. Kodiak bear. Yeah, I thought it's a grizzly bear. Kodiak bear? Kamukha na, love eh. Wow. Leon, do you want to be hugged by the bear? No. Oh, okay.
Let's see the bear.
So that was a Kodiak bear. Punta naman tayo dito sa kabilang fence. It's a deer. Anong deer kaya to, love? Yan, nandun siya sa may loob. And parang may cave siya doon. Pero ganun yung natural habitat nila. Yeah, let's go naman dito sa dulong fence. Ang dami nila, oh, yung mga deers. Pero interesting tong sa dulo ng fence na isa. Hello there. Hello. Hi. So balik na tayo dun sa cart at inaantay na tayo ni na Kuya Davon and Lianica. Ay ni Kuya Davon lumabas, takot siya sa bear. Which is understandable, fam. Sobrang laki naman itong Kodiak bear. Mukha siyang grizzly bear talaga. Yun talaga yung akala ko. Pero let's see kung meron talagang actual na grizzly bear dito. I can see na nandoon black bear yung nandoon. So let's check it out. Okay, so very good, fam. At my black bear dito. And gusto bumaba ni Kuya Damon din. So look at that. Close encounter with the black bear. And ayon yung ma-encounter yan habang nagka-camping kayo or sa wild. Ito na yung black bear, medyo pwede pang labanan daw, love eh. Pero yung grizzly daw talaga, you're as good as dead. Yun daw talaga eh. Grizzly bear talaga kaiba. So let's check out dito. May isang bear dito, kuya. Come on, come on. So we're walking and may hyper doon na bear. It's a black bear. So let's check it out. Ayan siya. Ayan siya. So ano kayang hinahanap nito? Parang dito lang siya pa ikot-ikot eh. So he doesn't want to move. Nandito lang siya. So I'm not sure if may nangungulit ba sa kanya dito or what. Pero dito lang siya. Yan, left and right na siya dito, fam. So nag-exercise ata siya. It's a freaking bear.
Just follow him. He will not bite you ever. Wait.
Okay, yan.
Mommy.
Forma lang tayo dito, love. Okay, fam, nandito tayo sa kabilang fence. And let's check that out. Ayun nang bumaba din na Kuya Devo, napagod na talaga. A yak. Wow, native Tibet, Nepal, China. Domesticated thousands of years by native people of Nepal, these beasts are integrally adapted to harsh climate of the mountains of Himalayan mountains. Okay, that's why, that explains the feather and the coat. So they look like, lumalapit ka sa akin, bro. Okay, they look like cow, buffalo na malago yung hair. That's how they look like. And let's check out this other two black bears. They're the baby black bears. Hi, baby bears. Yeah, the ones that are there, Kuya, the big ones, those are the mommy and daddy. Both of these are the baby bears. Are they called cub? I'm not sure if they're called cubs. Yeah. And great thing, pumayag ang aming mga bagets.
Yeah, go. 1, 2, 3. Ivan.
Wow, black bears. Thank you, Kuya and Lian. Very good. Sakto yung black bear dun sa likod daw.
Yeah.
Puporma ka, ha? Kakainin mo yung mga kids namin, ha?
Oh, he's sleeping already, baby.
Oh, wow. Uy. Oh, they're playing games. Are they playing games?
The wire is so separated. The same as the daddy now.
Yeah, look at the daddy.
Daddy! Daddy! The
We're
last
just-
one.
What do you mean the last one? As long as it's interesting. Is that gonna be the last one?
The zoo.
What's that? A moose? Moose. Moosey moosey. Ang layo, fam, but it's an elk. Ganda ng sungay niya, oh. Di masyadong kita talaga. Okay, anyway, I'm trying my best, but hindi talaga siya makita. So, let's go. And ang mag-anak, ang Alba Fam Bam, enjoying the golf cart plus
Popcorn.
the zoo and popcorn, of course. Okay, let's drive again. Yeah, I know.
Careful, mommy, daddy.
Oh, that's fine. Right, so driving lang.
Uy.
Oh no, this is the end.
U-turn.
Okay, so we need to
U-turn.
U-turn. Let's go back. Let's go back. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, the gray wolf. Okay, I need to check that out. The gray wolf. It's gray, love, so we couldn't see it right now.
Wow,
Bye, Daddy Black Bear.
That's no
Oh,
good.
the mommy is resting. Yeah,
That's why you're separated.
that's why.
You're noisy and the mommy is sleeping.
Correct. Diba they were playing?
That's why you're separated.
So
Correct.
let the mommy rest, di ba? Uy.
That's
And fam, ito yung inaantay natin. Hopefully grizzly bear to. Kasi wala siyang sign eh. Let me look, let me check. And sakto nasa gilid siya ng fence. So makakapag-picture talaga ang Alba fam. Okay. And pa may nakita kami maliit na fence. Nakalagay porcupine. Andito si Mami, si Lian, and si Davon. Sobrang curious nila ng mukha ng porcupine. Pero hindi namin makita. Oh, baka nandito siya sa loob. Nasa bahay niya siya. Porky! Porky! Oh! Kuya, there, come on. Come here.
Lian,
Come here. There. Oh,
Sleeping.
sleeping.
That's a porcupine in real life.
Ayun. Do you see it? Hello fam, and at last nandito na tayo sa grizzly bear cage. Medyo mahiyain pala tong grizzly bear dito, or tamad, kasi nandun lang siya sa kabila. So nagre-rest din pala ang grizzly bears. So let's see if makukuhanan natin siya ng magandang shot. Pero nakita namin ito na kanina, parang makahiga lang siya eh. So grizzly bears pala are subspecies of brown bears. So brown bear pala ang mother clan nito or species nito. Ayan, hindi ko siya masyadong makita. Pero they're really big. So pag grizzly bear, it's over for you pag nakita mo to sa mga campsite. Let's check naman dun sa kabila kasi may mga wolf daw or wolf exhibition. So hopefully maabutan pa natin. Pero nakakita na kami ng cougar doon kanina. So let's see, and after that, it's a wrap. Ooh.
Popcorn, little guy. You want popcorn?
That's not a little guy, that's a big guy. It's a big cat.
Look at that.
Cougar?
That's a big.
Is it a cougar?
Why are you not playing anything?
He's not playing anything because all she wants is to jump and eat us. Ayun siya, fam. Okay, last look before we go to the other side. Hey, fam, and of course, hindi mawawala ang king of the jungle, si Simba. The brown lion, African lion. Hello. Wow, and the lioness. Yan. And the king. Syempre natutulog yung king. Diba? King would be sleeping. Wow, nice. Yeah. And let's check out the other cage naman kung ano pang meron dun. Hello fam, I think this is the second to the last cage dito sa Discovery Wildlife. And look at that, it's a gray wolf. Wow. It's a gray wolf. Lapit talaga siya sa akin kagad eh. 'Cause I'm food. It's a gray wolf. Lapit talaga siya kasi we're food eh. Diba? Ang last round na namin dito sa Discovery Wildlife Park. So may mga dinosaurs sila doon. And meron din silang train. Okay. And Kuya Davon of course is asking if he could ride a train here. So let's park. Okay. Alright.
Go.
Okay.
And they have a wooden train na ginawa dito, fam. Ayan. Parang playground na wooden train para sa kids. Ayan. Meron silang slide here. A big truck with a slide. Hello, kiddos!
Mommy, could we go into the big playground?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Let's go one more time.
No, mommy.
Yay! And they also have a common raven here. Ayan. Andyan. I think two of it. Two of it here. And parang may resting place din sila dito. Like, siguro pag may food kayo, rest lang kayo muna dito. And ayan. Paikot na kami actually. So balik lang kami dun sa playground. And here's my daddy and kiddos. Let's go to the playground, babies.
Sabi ko, love, do you wanna play a game, kuya? Sabi ko, I'll drive the car and you try to habol, daddy. Ayaw, pumayag ni Damon.
Ayan yung,
Iwan ko siya eh.
ayan mga bata.
I think this is the last cage, really. So, kailangan ko tong i-video para makita ni na Davon for reference in the future. So, this is, or these are, camels. And na-experience na namin ni Don ang sumakay dito nung nag-visit kami sa Dubai dati. It was 8 years ago? 7 years ago? So, yeah. Okay, so Kuya and Davon and Lianica, camel. Napagod na sila talaga. Ayaw na nilang tumayo. Oh, I'm mistaken, fam. Hindi pala sila napagod. Kasi nandun na sila sa playground. So hayaan na nating mag-playground sila. Want to sawa. Kasi tomorrow naman, going back to school. So the park is really nice kasi it has a lot of facilities and activities. So for example, this one, it's like a rock climbing para sa mga bata. And apart from the animals na makikita mo na nasa cage, ayan, meron silang
playground.
may airplane na playground, may mga klase-klase silang playground. And nandun sa dulo, parang may dinosaur playground pa. Hindi pa namin napupuntahan. So, we're going there after. So, ayan. Ang ganda dito. Discovery Wildlife Park. Must visit for residents in Alberta and also nearby provinces pag nakakapasyal kayo dito. It's just in Innisfail, around 40 minutes from Calgary. Ano yun ang kulit ni Davon, oh? Okay, so sige, laro! Yan, meron silang playground. Different styles of playground. Ganito, may wall climbing or rock climbing. Meron pa doong dinosaur playground. So puntahan natin yan later. Just a quick video. Raccoon. Ang cute pala. Kamukha pala talaga nung nasa Marvel eh. Hi! 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 Raccoon! There you go, di ba? Daming parks dito. So, helicopter park naman. Or helicopter playground rather. Daming playgrounds talaga dito. Kuya, the blades are turning! Oops, don't crash! Don't crash! And meron silang isang section dito, fam, na with the dinosaurs. And then may egg. Yung the usual tourist attraction na may egg. Pero ang ganda. Oh, effort yung pagkakalagay nila dito. Oh man, effort yung pagkalagay nila dito sa mga dinosaurs. So you could find the real bones of some of these dinosaurs. Dun sa Drumheller, also here in Alberta. So daming pwedeng gawin sa Alberta, right? So try to visit our province.
Andito kami sa back ng golf cart. Gusto daw nilang ma-experience ang back. While daddy's driving here. Andito lang kami sa back. Oh wow! Oh, hold tight, babies.
What's where?
Last round na namin to and we're done for today. Then drive na pabalik. Yay!
Who's having fun?
Me!
That's a wrap, fam! So now, after namin masoli ang golf cart, magda-drive na lang kami going home to Calgary. So it's just around 45 minutes na lang. Lapit na lang.
That's right.
So thanks again for
watching
and
be with us
being with us for 3 days.
Yeah.
And salamat sa lahat ng nanonood.
And the support.
And we're always grateful for your support. 1,520 subscribers. So very good. Thank you. And salamat kaayo sa mga Bisaya dira na makatanaw sa amoa, please subscribe as well. And doon sa 60% na nanonood sa amin and hindi nakakapag-subscribe pa, please do and consider. Yes, Mommy? Go ahead.
And also, please don't forget to like our Facebook page as well. If you want to connect with us, you can
Message us there.
message us there.
Maayong adlaw, maayong gabi sa inyong tanan from Alba Fam Bam Innisfail. Hi, Lou.